Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Ed McIntosh.
Welcome back. As we look with the first interstate iCam as we get going, the clouds are starting to increase. We're still at 65 degrees now after hitting unofficially 68 for the high so far, but the winds have shifted. Notice that north wind now at 15 miles an hour, a clue that the cold front has passed through the area, is passing through now with a falling barometer. So the low pressure area from the north is starting to move in and bring these rain showers across northern Montana. Temperatures as cool as 43 up in Cutbank right now. You see a lot of 50s along the eastern high line all the way over towards Williston, North Dakota. Miles City, you're still at 59 now. 67 in Sheridan, where the cold front hasn't quite made it in yet. 67 in Livingston and Cody, sitting at 64 degrees. The winds will become a bigger deal, but the big story in the short term is going to be the wintry weather moving in. Anywhere you see the winter weather advisories, travel concerns there, even though travel is a lot more limited right now, and winter storm warnings here, especially for the higher elevations, and that includes areas down into the Beartooth and the Bighorn Mountains, where much of the north and east facing slopes could be looking at a foot to 2 feet of new snow. Here's where the showers are this afternoon. We're watching the rain start to move in, and the blue arrows indicate where those winds are starting to move down from the north and pull that cooler air along with it. Now, as the fronts move through the Billings area, we'll look for rain to switch over to snow overnight heading into tomorrow. Warmer temperatures will start to fade away. The colder air moves in, and in fact, we'll probably see the temperatures just drop through the day tomorrow as the colder air shifts in. Now, by Sunday morning for Easter, maybe a little snow in the morning, but starting to clear out as we start getting later in the day. A few isolated showers around the area, but for the most part, things start to be much more settled as we start looking into especially Sunday afternoon. It just doesn't warm up. That's the problem. Temperatures overnight will be in the 20s and low 30s. Clouds increasing, those rain showers start to move in, isolated areas where we'll see some higher elevation snow really starting to hit into the mountains and foothills. And then tomorrow, look for the temperatures to flatten off. In fact, most of these readings will be early in the day and start to clear out beyond that. The stronger winds, notice the blue arrows bringing in that cooler air as we'll look for the increasing clouds, and then all of a sudden the change from rain over to snow throughout the day tomorrow. Here's how things are looking in our extended outlook. Temperatures will be in the 30s for the daytime highs on tomorrow. That'll be early in the day, dropping off as the day goes along, and then especially cold as we go from Sunday into Monday. In fact, if we get to 15 degrees, that would tie the record that was set back in 1986. Beyond that, it looks like we're going to start to look at the temperatures warm up. In fact, we could be back up to about average as we start getting into Friday. Just look at the weather. Back to you, Janelle.
All right. Thanks so much, Ed.